God bless you everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today I want to take a moment to talk about the B13. And yes, we're getting kicked out of the property now again. This is the second time, and it doesn't have to do with any of the people of my company. It's actually the landlord that rent us the building. So she's saying that the car needs to be running to be in the property, even though I'm an employee that is renting the property to have a business. Anyway, long story short, I wanted to do a couple things with the car, and now because I have to get the car running within a month, the deadline is going to be September 1st. So I need to get this car running before that. So it's a lot of things that I won't be able to get done the way I want it. I wanted to pay the engine bay, I wanted to do a couple things, but now since we don't have the time, I won't be able to get everything done the way I want it. So new plans is to get the car running as soon as possible, which means I'm gonna have most likely the car running by then and A for now. So hopefully I was able to grab a new engine that I'm gonna put the clip right now of it. As you guys can see, I have a mess on my car, and that means that we just grabbed our new engine for the B13. I was able to get a GA for a low price and also low miles. The car came with a tranny, as you guys can see, and it's an auto tranny. So the car, I'm assuming the engine wasn't beat on. So the new plan is gonna be actually to put the engine here by the end of the month and get the car running an A. That's the game plan. I hope everything works out the way I want it. So just wanted to give you a quick update. And I'm not gonna let this car die. Many people have told me to sell it. Other people have telling me to junk it, but I refuse to let this car go. The only way this car go is to be able to find a cleaner shell than this car. So it's a quick update. So guys, stay ready for new B13 content. B14 is almost ready, just a couple more things, but this car should be running very short. So thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry for the long video talking, but I just want to guys keep you updated of the whole situation. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you all.